Okay, so the way you do this very simply is you go up to Insert. The very top selection says Image. Scroll down to where it says Camera. And then hold your picture in front of the camera like this. It's a little difficult because the camera's kind of backwards. But try and get it as large as you can get it in there, but make sure the whole thing is in there. Whoops. And then click the little camera to take the picture. You'll see in the top right-hand corner over here, if you take multiple pictures, it should be the one that's on top. So if there's more than one of them, select the one that's the best of all of them. Click on that one and click Insert. When it comes in, it has the entire thing, but we're going to crop that image down so that my face isn't in there, and then it's cropped tight to the drawing. So in the menu bar up here at the top, there's a little symbol that looks like this. That's the cropping tool. So when I click on that symbol, it's going to add some bars to the left and right side and the top and the bottom side of that image. It gets a little bit tricky because it's right next to the center of the image on the top and bottom and sides. But if you move your cursor, you notice when you have your cursor on top of the picture, it looks like a plus with arrows on all four sides. When I roll it across the side without clicking anything, it changes to two arrows going this way. That's when I know I have the cropping part of that picture. So I'm going to click on that and drag it to the right. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Drag it to the left. And then if there's space on the top and bottom, do it on the top and bottom also. You should be able to see around the cropped image that shows you how bigger the picture is than it is when it's cropped. Click away from the picture by clicking on this white space over here. Then you can move the picture next to this one. Make it larger. And then I don't think I showed you this last time, but if you want to make the picture lighter so that it's not all gray looking, up in the top menu bar you can select where it says Format. Select the one that says Format Options and watch what happens over here on the right when I click Format Options. Those are all the formatting tools for the picture. The only one we're going to be concerned with is the one that says Adjustments. And of these three, the only one we're going to play with is the one that says Brightness. So click on Brightness and drag it a little bit to the right, and the picture should lighten up. 218. After you've gotten the picture lightened, just go ahead and click anywhere, and then you can close this slideshow because your slideshow should already be on your website. If it's not, raise your hand. If that slideshow is not on your website. Okay, so the cool thing about this is it automatically will update your website. It'll automatically update your website because it's linked.